Today, we are not reviewing an RV. We are stepping inside what might be the most outrageous American luxury machine ever imagined. This is the 2026 Cadillac Imperium 8x8 Mega Motorhome, a rolling presidential suite built for those who believe first-class travel should begin the moment the engine starts. If you love extreme luxury builds and next-level automotive engineering, make sure you're subscribed because this one sets a new benchmark. No cap. Before it even moves, it dominates. The 8x8 configuration immediately changes everything. 4 axles, 8 driven wheels, a stance so wide and planted that it feels closer to a private armored transport than a motorhome. Big vibes. The front fascia carries unmistakable Cadillac design DNA. A massive illuminated crest centered inside a gloss black geometric grille. Vertical LED light signatures stretch downward like crystal blades, giving the Imperium a futuristic authority. The hood is tall and sculpted. Sharp body lines catch light dramatically, and beneath, reinforced steel architecture hints at serious engineering under the hood. This isn't built for campsites, it's built for presence, straight up flex. Along the side profile, scale becomes almost surreal. The elongated body is finished in deep metallic obsidian blue with subtle silver flake, shifting tone depending on lighting. A floating roof design with full-length panoramic glass enhances its executive appearance. Massive forged alloy wheels fill widened arches. Adaptive air suspension keeps the ride level regardless of terrain. Underbody ambient lighting creates a soft glow at night, more private jet than RV park. Big vibes. The powered entry door opens silently. Illuminated steps extend downward, and the environment changes completely. Step inside, and you're no longer in a vehicle. You're in a private lounge. Hand-stitched leather captain's chairs face each other across a marble-trimmed console. Real wood veneer meets brushed aluminum accents. Ambient lighting flows across the ceiling panels, fully customizable from cool executive white to warm evening lounge tones. A 55-inch hidden 4K display rises from the cabinetry. Surround sound fills the cabin. Privacy glass isolates you from the outside world. There's a refrigerated bar module, crystal holders, wireless charging stations embedded into side tables. This is where long-distance travel becomes pure indulgence, no cap. Toward the rear lies the master suite. A king-sized bed with quilted leather headboard sits beneath a panoramic skylight. Integrated mood lighting adapts automatically to time of day. Wardrobes are climate-controlled. Bedside panels manage lighting, climate, and security functions. Even at highway speed, advanced insulation keeps the cabin whisper quiet. Big chill. The bathroom mirrors 5-star hotel design. Heated stone flooring, backlit mirror, rainfall shower enclosed in smoked glass. Matte black fixtures contrast against light marble walls. Opposite, the compact executive kitchen integrates an induction cooktop, espresso system, mini fridge, and concealed storage, designed for discreet functionality. Crazy setup. Up front, the cockpit feels futuristic. A curved digital display stretches across the dashboard. Augmented reality navigation overlays real-time road data. Adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and terrain management systems assist the driver. Despite its scale, the Imperium is engineered for stability. The 8x8 drivetrain distributes torque intelligently across all axles. Heavy-duty turbo diesel power delivers massive low-end torque designed for long-haul cruising. This isn't about speed, it's about effortless authority. Straight-up beast. Multi-zone climate control, satellite connectivity, integrated security monitoring, reinforced chassis structure, advanced braking systems engineered for its size and weight. Everything about this motorhome balances luxury with capability. Now the question everyone asks, how much? Given its custom-built architecture, 8x8 drivetrain, and ultra-luxury interior, pricing would realistically begin in the $2 million range, with bespoke builds climbing significantly higher depending on customization, security upgrades, and tech packages. This isn't mass-produced, it's commissioned, built for executives, celebrities, collectors, and ultra-high net worth explorers who demand mobility without compromise. No cap. At the end of the day, vehicles like the 2026 Cadillac Imperium 8x8 aren't purchased for convenience. They're acquired to make a statement, to arrive differently, to travel without limits, and to remind the world that luxury is no longer confined to five-star hotels. It can move with you. Flex. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most extreme luxury motorhomes imagined for 2026, make sure you like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, would you spec yours for business or personal travel? Until next time, keep dreaming bigger and drive beyond ordinary. Big vibes.